In order for your travel guides to make a lot of sales for you this Q4, one of the things you have to get right is your description and your 7 back-end keyword. In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to craft a bestseller travel guide description and how to go about getting your 7 back-end keywords. Okay, so if you follow everything I'm going to do step by step, you are going to ensure your travel guide ranks very well and ensure you make a lot of sales in this Q4. So without wasting time, let's dive into the video for today.
So guys, I'm on the Amazon dashboard right now. So one of the things I'm going to do here is to search out one of the travel guides that I gave to us. That's Popular Travel Guide 2024. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is to look for any of the bestsellers that are, or books that are with low BSR, alright, and are written by independent publishers. Okay, that's the next thing I want to do. This is also doing very well. Okay, so you can see it was published in July 4, 2024, and it has a BSR of 228. So I'm going to right click on it and open it in a new tab. Alright, so what I want to do is to check out the description, because like I said, your description is one of the key things that will ensure that your book, okay, gets a lot of sales. Okay, so crafting your description has to be an art for you. You have to make sure that your description is top notch. It should be able to compete with the bestsellers under your keyword. Okay, your description should be able to compete with the bestsellers in your keyword. So the next thing I'm going to do is to head over to ChatGPT now. Alright, so I'm going to ask it some questions and then tell you what I want it to do. So just follow me step by step. I'll be dropping this prompt, okay, for download. So as you can see, I told it I want to create a bestseller description for my book titled Popular Travel Guide 2024. Alright, and I told you there are some descriptions on Amazon I want you to model. I'll be giving you those descriptions shortly. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to head over to Amazon, their description guideline. Alright, they have a guideline on how to write a bestseller description. So I'm going to give this to ChatGPT and ask it to analyze this and make sure it understands what Amazon wants. Alright, so I'm going to go to ChatGPT and see before I okay, then I'm going to paste the next one, book description restrictions. So basically I'm telling ChatGPT to analyze Amazon description guideline, alright, and then let it help me to understand it better. Okay, so it's going to analyze the description guidelines on Amazon. Alright, how they want us to write our description. They want us to make it simple, compelling, and professional. Alright, and they went ahead to describe the restrictions that we should not include in our description. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to tell you, now I am going to give you those descriptions to model after. Alright, so now I'm going to give you those descriptions to model after. You have to use your understanding of the Amazon KDP description guidelines to craft a bestseller description for my book that will not go against their guidelines. Do you understand? Beautiful. So this is what I wanted you to give me. So I'll head over to those two descriptions now and then copy it out. This is the first one. Alright, I'll go to ChatGPT. Then this is the second. Okay, so I'll copy out the second now And with this, I'm going to send it to ChatGPT, and then it's going to craft out a unique travel guide description for my book titled Puglia Travel Guide 2024. All right. And then it's going to give me everything that will ensure that my book becomes a bestseller. Are you seeing? So this is everything I just need to put in my book. Get ready to explore Puglia, the sun-drenched gem of southern Italy, with the Puglia Travel Guide 2024. Whether you are seeking breathtaking coastlines, historic villages, or authentic culinary experiences, this guide is the ultimate companion to uncovering the region's best kept secrets. Why choose this guide? And then it gives us amazing things that should be included in our book. Are you seeing? So this is all I just need to put in my travel guide, and then I will copy it out. And then I can paste it in my travel guide description. Okay, so next is to develop our keywords that we'll use to upload our books. All right, we want to get keywords. So I've gotten our description, which is short but very powerful and very simple. With this now, we can be sure our book will not get blocked, and people will read this description and know why they should get our book. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to talk about the keywords, 7 back-end keywords. All right, so now let me talk to ChatGPT now. So I said to it, now I want us to craft 7 back-end keywords for this my book based on the title I gave you. I'm going to give you Amazon KDP 7 back-end guidelines on how to do this. Your job is to analyze it and help me understand it. So I'm going to look for, okay, make your book discoverable keywords, blah blah blah, how to add keyword, best practices, useful keywords. So I'll start from here, best practices, keywords to avoid. So this is all I just need to copy out from best practices, useful keyword types, and then keywords to avoid. So I'm going to give it to ChatGPT to analyze. Are you seeing? Now it's analyzing this keyword in line with my topic. These Amazon KDP guidelines for Backend provide essential practices for optimizing your book's discoverability on the platform. Let's break down the key points so that you can use them effectively for your Puglia Travel Guide 2024. Are you seeing how amazing this is? So now that I have done analyzing this with respect to my title, I am going to ask it, alright, so now it has gone to give us, they're going to give us the 7 backend guidelines that we can use. So 7 backend keywords that we can use. I'll copy them out and then I'm going to paste them right here. Now this is a free way of doing this. You can as well use Publisher Rocket. I've showed us how to use Publisher Rocket before to get keywords. Alright, so you can go ahead to confirm each of these keywords and check how they rank.
So guys, we have come to the end of the video for today. I'm sure you have gotten value from this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to craft and format your travel guide. I don't know how excited you are about it, but if you learn this, it will help you make sure that your formatting for your travel guide is perfect and top notch. Okay, we're going to be spying some bestseller interiors and see how they format their book, and that's what we're going to be using to format ours. All right, so after the formatting process, I'm going to be teaching you how to launch your book on Amazon. There's a launching process that ensures that your book does not stay on the 7th page or on the 10th page, which is what many people don't know. It's not enough to have a perfect title with keywords that are selling. It's not enough to have a good cover and a perfect description. How you launch your book will ensure that it stays on the first page and also goes ahead to get the bestseller badge. So make sure you stay tuned to my channel, like the video, and like I said, subscribe to my channel. So see you in my next video.